Welcome to How to Add a News Stories training module in HotHealth. In this module, you'll learn how to create, publish, and manage news articles or stories on your HotHealth site, helping you keep your audience informed and engaged with timely updates and relevant content. To access the news settings, click on the Profile button and select Dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the section Settings and click News. This will open the News Settings page where you have several options. Go to News, view archived news and add a new news article. Within this section, you can enable or disable the visibility of the news section, update the section name and set permissions for who can manage the page. Click Go to News to view all currently available stories in the system. Select View Archive to access past or inactive news items. To add a new story, click New Story. In the story editor, you can choose to display the author's details. Enter a title and add the body content of your story. You also have the option to attach a photo, video or PDF file for additional customization. Stories can be made visible to all users by selecting public or restricted to a specific group if preferred. You may also enable email notifications to alert users when a new story is published. Once everything is complete, click Publish to make your story live. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.